Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla cabin filter. Locate the glove box and remove its stops carefully. Empty the glove box and disconnect the damper or unclip the stops to allow full drop. Identify the cabin filter cover behind the glove box and undo the tabs or screws holding it. Slide out the old filter slowly to avoid spilling debris and inspect the housing for leaves. With the glove box lowered and supported, press the filter cover tabs inward or use a screwdriver to remove screws. Carefully slide the old cabin filter out while watching for trapped debris and loose leaves. Inspect the removed filter for unusual dirt or mold that could indicate deeper HVAC issues. Use a vacuum or soft brush to clean the housing and surrounding area before inserting the new filter for a snug, correct fit. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you wrench. I find them durable during long jobs and they pair well with work boots. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you liked that tip, now let's get back to the video. Check the airflow arrow on the replacement cabin filter and align it toward the cabin or blower motor as indicated. Slide the new filter into the slot gently until it seats fully, then resecure the cover by snapping tabs or reinstalling screws. Lift and reconnect the glove box damper or stops so the glove box closes smoothly. Run the fan briefly to confirm proper airflow and reduced dust in the cabin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.